A globe rotating, highlighting fault lines. Earthquakes are one of the most powerful and destructive forces on our planet. But how do they actually form? Let's dive into the science behind these natural phenomena. What causes earthquakes? Animation of tectonic plates moving. Earthquakes happen when the Earth's tectonic plates, the massive slabs of rock that make up the surface of the Earth, shift and move. These plates are constantly moving, but sometimes they get stuck at their edges due to friction. Close-up of a fault line, tension building up. Over time, pressure builds up because the plates are still trying to move. Eventually, this pressure is released in the form of seismic waves. That sudden release of energy is what we feel as an earthquake. Types of faults and movements. There are different types of faults depending on how the plates move. In a strike-slip fault, the plates slide past each other. In a normal fault, they move apart, and in a reverse fault, they push together. Each type of fault can produce earthquakes of varying intensity and duration. Major earthquakes in history. Throughout history, there have been many devastating earthquakes. The 1906 San Francisco earthquake, with a magnitude of 7.8, destroyed much of the city. In 2010, a magnitude 7.0 earthquake struck Haiti, causing massive loss of life and destruction. More recently, the 2011 Tohoku earthquake in Japan, with a magnitude of 9.1, triggered a tsunami and caused widespread devastation. These earthquakes remind us of the immense power of the Earth and the importance of preparedness and understanding. Earthquake preparedness. Earthquakes are a natural part of our planet's dynamic system. By understanding how they form and staying prepared, we can minimize their impact on our lives. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content.